Okay, good morning. We are going to learn about food production theory, safety measures in working areas. My name is Madam Catherine Adiedo. Learning outcome of today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, the trainee should be able to define the term safety, identify safety measures that are put in place, identify causes of accidents in an establishment, should also identify causes of accidents in an establishment, identify steps to follow in case of fire outbreak, fire prevention measures, responsibilities of employers in fire prevention, steps to be taken in case of fire, identify types of fires, then explain different types of firefighting equipments. In today's lesson, we'll start with the definition of terms. Definition number 1 is about safety. Safety is a condition of being protected from danger, risk, or injury. This is whereby the workers ensure they are well protected from injuries or any other form of risk. Safety measures, it's an action of protection being from danger. Fire safety. Fire in hotels are very common and often they can result into injury or loss of life. As you know, in our establishment, we deal with fire in the production area, and because of this, we need to be very vigilant. Fire prevention measures. There are many prevention measures that we should look into. Employees should be given fire drill training during the production program. Knowledge regarding fire should assist in preventing fire outcome. This should be followed by regular training sessions related to procedure to be taken in case of fire. Responsibilities of employer in Fire Prevention and Safety Act. Employers must be aware of the following. Ensure fire exits are not obstructed. That is, they should be clearly elaborated. They should be placed in an area that can be clearly seen. Ensure fire equipment are not damaged. Ensure that the equipment that are put in place are in good condition. No smoking rules should be observed. Smoking results into fire outbreak. So as workers, you should consider this. Doors and windows that are not used for evacuations. Also, the workers should know procedure for making fire calls. This is very important because if they don't know this, it's easy to cause accident in the working area. There are steps to be taken in case there's a fire. This is very important because if workers do not know this, it's very hard to prevent them from accidents. Number 1, you should raise alarm. Sound the alarm and inform the people in the vicinity of the fire. By this we mean that there should be an alarm within the vicinity that all workers should know how to put it on, so that in case of fire outbreak, they are able to switch it on. Do not panic. In case of fire, do not panic. Do not run helter-skelter, but you should follow the procedure that are put in place by the establishment. Then the fire extinguishers. The fire extinguishers, you should only use them when you know the purpose of use. You should not use it for any form of fire. We have classification of fire. Fire is classified in various forms. There are 4 main classes, namely Class A, or the solid fire. Class A, they are fire involving solid materials or organic nature. For example, wood, paper, and textile. Class B, we have liquid fires. They are fire involving liquid, as the name suggests, for example, oil, fat, paints. Class C, we have gas fire. These are fires involving gases. Then Class E, we have electric fires, are fire involving electric hazards. There you can see oxygen, heat, stroke fuel. Those are some of the examples. Fire extinguishers and the fire they should be used for. Majority of you have seen the fire extinguishers within the establishment, but most of you don't know their purpose. Today we are going to discuss about the fire extinguishers and their purpose. Water extinguishers. The water extinguishers, they are normally red in color, and you'll see them within an establishment. Even in the institution, we have them. They are used for fires involving wood, papers, and clothes. So this is the type of fire extinguisher that you can only use when there's wood fire outbreak, paper fire outbreak, or cloth fire outbreak. We have carbon dioxide extinguishers. The carbon dioxide extinguishers, they are normally black. I feel most of you have seen them within the establishment. They are very common in the institution for fires involving flammable liquid, oil, paints, etc. Foam extinguishers, they are always cream. These are for fire involving wood and inflammable liquids. Powder extinguishers. The powder extinguishers are blue in color for the electrical fire and inflammable liquids. We also have fire blankets. They are used on fire involving burning liquids or clothing. So as students, you should master the colors, you should know their purpose, you should know the right use of them. Don't just use when you are not sure of the type of fire you are fighting. Fire safety is a personal responsibility. Thus, it's important to equip yourself with tactics and skills on how to fight it in case it erupts. On this topic, I hope this topic has been helpful in acquiring those fundamental skills. If you're out there, I hope you'll follow the safety measures and teach those who don't know. This will help save lives and properties. Today's assignment, I want you to define the term safety as we've learned from today's lesson. Outline procedure to be taken in case of fire outbreak. You should also name 4 types of fire, then identify and explain firefighting equipment. Thank you.